Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. My name's Melissa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate coffee. To make this you will need a kettle, a mug or a heat-proof glass and a cafetiere. I'm using a single serving cafetiere because this recipe is for one person, but if you're making it for more, please use a bigger one and adjust the ingredients accordingly. To make this you will need 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. I'm using the Coffee Direct Arabica blend. It's espresso roasted but suitable for all brewing methods, a complex blend of 100% Arabica beans from 5 different locations. It's full strength, full bodied and aromaed. So you will also need 30 ml of cold milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder depending on how chocolatey you want it. It should be unsweetened though, because there's also 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Optionally you can top it with whipped cream. Okay, so to make your coffee, first things first, you need to put the coffee grounds in the cafetiere and top with boiled water. I've already boiled this. Place the lid on the cafetiere and then leave it to brew for 4 minutes. Right, so now that your coffee is brewed, just press down on the plunger gently to get rid of the coffee grounds and then pour it into your mug or heat-proof glass. Then add your cold milk to the glass and then your unsweetened cocoa powder. Do this to taste. I like it quite chocolatey, so I'm going to use all of it. Then just give it a really good stir until the cocoa powder is emulsified in the liquid and there are no lumps remaining. So next, add the sugar. You can leave this out if you don't like it as sweet. And then give it a stir again. That's your chocolate coffee finished, but if you want something a bit more extravagant, you can top it with some whipped cream. Additionally, if you want to make it look a bit fancy, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. And there you go, there's your finished coffee. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, we've got plenty of other ones using different blends. If you'd like to try it out yourself, please head to coffeedirect.co.uk where you can get our coffee. If you post any videos or pictures at all, please tag us. Thank you.